Hey guys, welcome back. So I just finished filming a video, well, one video that I'm supposed to be filming today, and now I'm about to start taking some pictures. So I have 3 outfits that I need to take pictures in, one of them being this one. So yeah, I'm just going to start doing that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I thought I would bring you guys along for how I take all of my Instagram content, because I just started getting back into my Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna have my handles somewhere around here. But yeah, so definitely follow me on Instagram. And yeah, so I'm just gonna bring you guys along. Another reason why I like filming on the weekends here at my office is because no one's hardly ever here on the weekends, so I'm able to kind of go out into like the common areas and not really worry about anybody like bothering me, or you know, just other people being here, so I can kind of get the content that I want and that I need. So yeah, so we're gonna do that right now. All right, guys, so this is outfit number 2. I'm sorry I haven't showed you any of the other outfits that I've been, well, you saw the other one, but I haven't showed you, like, took you out there with me because there were people here and I just wanted to, like, get these kind of out of the way so I could, like, this is just like a cute little midi dress or whatever that I'm taking a picture in, so yeah. Oh, you guys, I'm tired, but yeah, so that's how it looks, and we'll be back. We will be back. All right, you guys, so I am now on the last and final outfit, and whoever was here, ooh, I'm so sorry, I'm showing you like all the boobs. Whoever was here is not here anymore. So whoever was here is not here anymore. So now I'm just going to take my last picture, and yeah. So I need to figure out where I'm going to set you guys up so you guys can watch me. Yeah, hold that thought. Are you guys gonna be too overexposed right here? Now the question is, let's see, what are you gonna see? Okay. Sorry, you guys. I had to run and get my food because I had ordered food and it was outside. Now, let's figure out the angle. Okay. So we need what we need. Okay, it needs Maybe if I gotta lower this. Oh. That's too low though. Okay, you guys. So I think I got the angle that I want. And I don't know if I ever set it anywhere else. Sorry, there's like light, so if I look like super overexposed. I personally do the method when it comes to taking my photos. I personally do the method where I am I'm going to video myself. So I video myself, and then I take a screenshot of whatever video, or I take a screenshot of whatever picture comes out the best. Yeah, so that's what I do. Are you gonna be able to see me pose though? Yeah, you should. Okay, so yeah, that's what I do. I saw that on Pinterest or TikTok, one of those, and that's what works for me. I'm able to figure out like what I like best, and I don't have to worry about the clicker, even though I do have a remote and I could like whatever, but yeah. When you do this, just make sure that your phone is on the highest quality. So for instance, when I shoot, I am shooting in 4K. So anything else, if you shoot on the manual or audio, what's the word? So if you shoot manually or just regular auto settings on your iPhone, it will turn out bad. It is not going to turn out good, so make sure that your settings are at 4K, at the highest setting possible for your phone, so your pictures can actually, so when you do film yourself and you screenshot, those screenshots will turn out as good as like regular pictures would. So yeah. Now I'm gonna put on this blazer. You guys pray for me. This blazer is too small for me. I've had this blazer for about 10 years now. Yeah, I wasn't as small as I was 10 years ago. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So, oh my God, the arms. The arms are like the killer part. So, you guys pray for me that I like get the shot that I want and that I need. This is as far as this jacket goes on me. Like, I can't like really lower my arms. Like, girl. The things we do for Instagram. This is how you know that Instagram is fake, okay? Listen, we do it for the gram. And that's all. Okay. So now that I have that ready, this ready, and we're just gonna start. So I want my watch to show. So. Hey y'all, so Portia from the future here. So, as you guys are watching me pose, I'm just gonna talk to you guys for a quick second. So, this was actually my last weekend there in the studio. Um, yeah, I'm not in the studio actually. I'm gonna be filming from home again. Industrious, the company that, or the office space that I was filming out of, they actually closed that location down. So they offered me to relocate to a different office, but I actually just like kind of wanted to just end my contract because I didn't really want to move to a different office or change things around. So, yeah, I was just gaining the last little bit of content that I possibly could there. It's really bittersweet now. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel. So yeah, I've just been trying to like move some stuff around here at the home and figure out how I'm going to do stuff. Oh, right now, this is just me looking over the footage to see if I got one. And surprisingly, even though I was in that title um jacket, I was able to get some really, really cute pictures. You guys are going to see them soon on the gram. I have everything planned out, but if you guys already know that, if you saw my last video, it's been doing really well. So I'm going to link it right here in the card. So make sure you check it out. That's just how I plan my Instagram theme. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So besides that, um, yeah, now I'm gonna try and get a sitting shot, which was an epic fail, y'all. It was such an epic fail because I could not like really move my arm. So we're gonna see if I could get like an actual sitting shot. Like, it was a mess. It was a whole mess. But all right, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. So, peace. Later. I'm gonna take this jacket off because I can't do anything with it. I'm sorry if the lighting looks crazy. Some of the can lighting went out. Like, I guess it was like automatic or something. Um, I'm giving you guys a lot of boob right now, and I'm so sorry. Um, yeah, so that is pretty much it. I don't know if I'm going to combine this video with anything else. I should, because this is pretty much nothing. So I'm probably going to combine it with a whole bunch of other stuff. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah. All right. I'm not going to say till next time because there's still going to be more stuff. So bye.